Time now to enjoy the joke of the day entitled Alarm Clock.
Tom had this problem of getting up late in the morning and was always late for work. His boss was displeased and asked him to do something about it. So Tom went to his doctor, who gave him a pill and told him to take it before he went to bed. Tom slept well and, in fact, got up before the alarm rang in the morning. He had a leisurely breakfast and drove cheerfully to work.
Boss,
He said,
the pill the doctor gave me actually worked. That's all fine,
said the boss.
but where were you yesterday?